My name's Keval Dattani, founder of Space Power, and we're developing satellites for auxiliary power in space. Satellites spend a lot of time in the dark, and so then that actually restricts a lot of the usefulness. So a lot of these satellites actually end up being used for 2 to 3% of the time, particularly the small ones in LEO. So what we want to do is to help bring up those energy levels so you don't need hundreds or thousands of satellites to do the same job that 20 or 100 could have done. So we use lasers to transmit energy to satellites or spacecraft, rovers, to their photovoltaics, and give them charge when they need access to more energy. And now we're getting ready for a launch in 2025 for an in-orbit demonstrator where we hope to break power beaming records in space. There was a fantastic amount of support that we got from the program, which essentially allowed us to make the introductions to the relevant research centers and the experts that could then help us go from an idea and a concept into the labs and basically further our business case and the technology. In 5 years, we hope that we're launching lots of power banks into space and essentially starting a in-orbit constellation for wireless power, enabling any satellite to minimize the batteries that they put on board, maximize the amount of power that they have so that they can be more useful, use payloads that we can't use today, process much higher amounts of data than they can today, and just basically be more useful.